In this first high-paced Ring doorbell footage, a man and a lady are observed driving to someone's property. As they step out of their car, the man rushes to grab valuable items left outside the house. With remarkable speed, they make their escape before the owner can step out to stop them.
Wipe the windows down. Out the window. Sorry. Are you fucking serious right now, bro? Really? Okay. DTJ 796.
In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a lady is observed walking into someone's porch, pressing the doorbell multiple times. Her actions are accompanied by suspicious movements, suggesting a hidden motive or intention. In this nighttime Ring doorbell footage, two young men are observed attempting to steal someone's basketball hoops. However, luck is not on their side, as the hoops are securely tied down, thwarting their efforts. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a man is observed looking confused as he walks to someone's front door. He initiates a conversation, despite the absence of anyone else around him. His actions and demeanor raise questions about his intentions and the context of his visit.
Alright, so I said, I'm still that ring, right? Ain't that blue note? Hey, President Obama speaking. I hear that, red on dough. I said, you see Clover? I said, I'm perp.
In this fast-paced Ring doorbell footage, a vehicle is observed parked in front of a house, with one man rushing out to grab a valuable item from outside someone's front door. He swiftly retreats back to the vehicle for a hasty escape. In this suspenseful Ring doorbell footage, a lady is observed walking out from a front door, carrying valuable items with her. Her swift departure is motivated by the desire to avoid getting caught in the act. In this brisk Ring doorbell footage, a lady is observed walking into someone's porch and swiftly picking up a valuable package that was left outside the front door. Her quick movements indicate a calculated intention to seize the opportunity. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a lady is observed at someone's premises, making suspicious moves and engaging in what appears to be a thorough survey of the surroundings. Her actions raise questions about her intentions and the potential significance of her observations. In this audacious Ring doorbell footage, a man is observed walking up to someone's house front door and boldly grabbing expensive items he finds outside the house. His actions display a calculated intention to seize the valuable opportunity. In this curious Ring doorbell footage, a man and a lady are observed in front of someone's door, with the man displaying a puzzled attitude. His actions and demeanor raise questions about their intentions and the context of their presence. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a man is observed walking up to a premise's front door at night. As he presses the doorbell, he simultaneously moves around, surveying his environment with a watchful eye. His return to the door suggests that he notices no immediate intervention. In this tense Ring doorbell footage, a car is seen driving to someone's front house, with a man stepping out from the car. He proceeds to a parked car and starts attempting to break into it. However, his efforts are thwarted as the car is properly locked by the owner. Despite several attempts, he realizes his failure and quickly makes a run for escape. In this intense Ring doorbell footage, a group of masked men is observed, with one member of the group making a bold attempt to break into a house. Meanwhile, the others keep a watchful eye on the environment. However, their efforts are in vain as the door is properly locked, thwarting their plans. In this stealthy Ring doorbell footage, a man is observed initially pretending to pass by, only to quickly change his course as he spots a valuable package outside someone's front door. With a stylish and swift move, he seizes the package and swiftly departs. In this swift Ring doorbell footage, a young-looking man is observed walking into someone's house front door. He surveys the area briefly before seizing valuable equipment left outside the house. With lightning speed, he departs the scene, making his escape before the owner can react.
Yo, hey!
In this unassuming Ring doorbell footage, a man is seen leaving someone's house front door, holding a package in his possession. His actions appear casual and without any immediate indication of suspicious behavior. In this fleeting Ring doorbell footage, a man is observed picking up items from someone's front house, swiftly seizing the opportunity, and promptly leaving. In this brief yet revealing Ring doorbell footage, a man is observed as he quickly makes a turn to approach someone's front door. With a purposeful move, he picks up a valuable item left outside before promptly departing.
I like when they put it in ghetto.
In this patient Ring doorbell footage, a delivery man is seen at someone's front door, pressing the doorbell and waiting for the house owner's response. With a sense of patience, he anticipates either the door opening or some form of intervention. However, as time passes without a response, he ultimately decides to leave with the package. In this cautious Ring doorbell footage, a man is seen patiently surveying his environment, carefully assessing the situation before him. With deliberate consideration, he makes his move to seize the items left outside someone's door. After successfully acquiring the items, he once again takes a moment to survey his surroundings before making his departure. As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.